You guys know that feeling where you're sitting and you feel like you have everything in life. It's just that अब ना बस एक लड़की और मिल जाए. If I just get a girl, then my life is going to be amazing. You feel like if I get a girl, then she'll complete me. I need someone else to complete me. और अगर वो जब तक नहीं मिल रहा है, there's always this sense of chronic loneliness, this void of loneliness, if you will, which is always existing for you. Even if I have friends, till the time I don't have an amazing relationship, एक लड़की नहीं है मेरे पास, तब तक I'll be lonely. But anytime when you go up to a girl, you end up being really desperate and you end up pushing that person away. So why does that happen? Let's cover it in this video. So, why do you feel mostly lonely right now? Why do you feel you need someone else to complete you? The core reason always goes back when we were growing up. So when we were growing up, if we grew up in an environment where our parents weren't there for us too much, let's say our mother wasn't there for us too much, I'm assuming you're a boy watching the video. So let's say your mother wasn't there for you a lot. She didn't meet your needs. Even worse, she got her needs met more than your needs. And if there was any abuse that happened, or if there was any neglect that happened, alright, or if you have a fear of abandonment. So whatever being the case, basically your childhood needs of love, validation, approval, companionship weren't met. You didn't have someone who could be there for you and who could listen to your problems, who would talk to you, who would listen to you, who would take care of you. So when our childhood needs are not met, they lead to wounds. Those wounds lead to voids as well. So firstly, there's going to be a pain that I did not receive what I wanted to receive, or at the same time there might be something bad that would have occurred, like abandonment, right? And neglect is something basically you did not receive the love. So when that happens, there's a pain to neglect, there's a pain to abandonment. So the wound gets formed, and then a void gets formed. In the void, what happens is, let's say the void of loneliness, if we talk out here, trying to feel like, when finally we get that girl, we'll finally, be enough. Or when we earn money or something, we're going to finally have friends who will love us, who will accept us. And because now we're famous, now we can be amazing, and now we'll have so many friends who are going to make up for the lack of love and validation while we were growing up, the lack of companionship. So in an essence, what we do is, in a relationship, or when this thought process is going on in our minds कि यार कोई बंदी चाहिए हमें, तभी लाइफ बढ़िया होने वाली है, नहीं तो एक लड़की के बिना तो लाइफ झंड है एकदम. And we end up being really desperate जब भी हमें लड़की मिलती है. So why that is happening is because when you meet a girl, you want that girl to make up for the lack of love that your mother could not give you, or wasn't able to give you, or did not give you. तो अब हम बड़े होके भी, we are still coming from that 3-year-old, 5-year-old child state and wanting to fill up that void of loneliness inside us, wanting to still get that mother's love जो हमें नहीं मिला. And in essence, when we talk to the girls, we do not view them as in how they are. We end up viewing them as our mothers, which is not what they signed up for. We end up viewing them as a person who is going to fill up the place of the mother and is finally going to nurture us and going to bring us up. But ये कभी work करता नहीं है, because no girl is looking for a boy. They're looking for a man. They don't want to adopt a boy. But we, subconsciously, that's what we want to do. We want a mother to take care of us, to finally help us grow. We want a girl who will take us like a mother and then finally give us the love that we've always fucking wanted. But again, anytime that happens, anytime we meet someone, we end up overburdening them with so much ideas जो हमारे दिमाग में है. We project a desperation for that motherly love that we missed, and the other person can sense that. It's very unattractive, it's very repulsive, and they move away. The solution here, even if you meet someone, is not to be in a relationship to heal those wounds, to heal those voids and fill up those voids, because those voids will only be filled up by you. No other person can come in and fill up the void of loneliness. No other person can come in and take away that pain from you. The only way you process that pain is by looking at it again, by feeling those experiences again. Because mostly क्या होता है, जब भी pain होता है ना, कोई भी wounds form होते हैं, हम उसको दबा देते हैं, हम उसके बारे में सोचना ही नहीं चाहते. There are certain defense mechanisms that get formed. जैसे denial होता है कि नहीं अरे कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. We try to forget about it. We try to repress it. We try to suppress it. We try to put it off. We try to distract ourselves by getting drunk कि ये चीज़ कभी आए ना. But back of the head, या कभी dreams में, या कभी एक vulnerable state में, those emotions, those memories come back to us. And then when they do, I want you to feel them again. You have to feel them no matter how difficult it is. Alright? Bring them up. Feel them. process the pain. Only when you process the pain can you reach that point where you will be filling up your void of loneliness inside. And you're the only person who can do that. You're the only person who can be your mother and your own father and take care of that loneliness. Rather than projecting it on other people, focus on how you can sort that out for yourself. If you want to know how to get that done, schedule a free call with me. We're going to get on a call. We're going to talk about the issues you've been having, the problems you've been having, and if you resonate with this video, we're going to talk about what were the exact things you could resonate with and how do you proceed from there. I'm going to add the link in the description box below, plus it's going to be out here as well. Schedule a free call with me. We're going to get on a call, talk about it, and then if it makes sense, we're going to go ahead from there. That being said, guys, that's going to be the video from my side. This is Kshitij signing off. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You like this video, you spank it, smash it, demolish that like button, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.